Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Anaconda is installed and matched to the Python version you need. This ensures package compatibility. Open Anaconda Navigator for a GUI or launch the Anaconda prompt if you prefer commands. Once open, create or activate a Conda environment so projects stay isolated. Type conda create env python equals 3. 10. And conda activate myenv. Then install Jupyter Lab or Notebook into that environment, because launching from the right environment guarantees access to the correct packages. Once the environment is active, start Jupyter Lab or Notebook. Using Navigator is one click, or run conda run env Jupyter Lab for precise control. Make sure the kernel matches your environment. If not present, run python ipykernel install username equals myenv. Use the file browser to create a new notebook, open terminals, or edit scripts. This keeps code, data, and notes together. Remember to save checkpoints and use clear cell outputs so results remain reproducible and easy to review. To finish your workflow, run cells interactively with Shift plus Enter, and when code behaves oddly, restart the kernel to clear memory and state. This prevents hidden variable bugs. Save frequently, then export notebooks to HTML or PDF for sharing or publishing. If the kernel won't start, don't panic. Verify you activated the intended conda environment, reinstall ipykernel in that env, and review the terminal logs for error messages. A quick conda list and pip check usually reveals missing packages that block the kernel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.